Hello everyone, so I have some questions about the last payload for the RubberDucky, the ones that copies, let's say, the database with the Chrome passwords to the RubberDucky itself. So it's pretty easy to build a payload. You just have to think of the steps that the payload has to follow to accomplish the same result as if you would do it manually. So first, let's think what we have to do. We have to get the data from where basically the Google Chrome stores the passwords. So that should be in C, then users, then the username of your PC. Then we have to go to app data, and this is very important because we need to view the hidden folders. So we can go to view, show, and then hidden items. So once we are here on app data, we then have to go to local, Google, and then Chrome, user data, and then under user data we should have the default folder, and then we need to get the login data. So in this file we have all the passwords that were saved in Google Chrome. So basically those are not encrypted, those are just encoded. So there's no layer of protection. There are multiple ways to decode this file, even online ways. But also there is a Python script available that I shared in a previous video, so you can use that one. But without further ado, let's see how a Ducky script can go up to this folder, and it should basically copy this file into and paste it into our RubberDucky, so we can convert it after or decode it. So firstly, if you try to do my PC, it will go to this PC, but in some cases this is not available anymore. So firstly, what we have to do is to press the Windows button, and then we need to search for something, which in this case I think the string that always fits, it will be File Explorer, and then we have to hit enter. After we are here in File Explorer and we hit enter, we have to press F4, and here we need to type this PC. We are already in this PC, but in some other configurations we can just be in the browsing folder. So now we are on this PC. Then we need to hit the C string, which will select the local C. But if we would have the RubberDucky available, which is called CircuitPython, it will go to that one. So we need to hit C 2 times and then press enter, and then we will be in the CircuitPython. Then we will have to press F4 in order to select this name, because we need to get the letter of the drive, and then Ctrl C to copy that specific letter. And I'll show you why, because after that, in order to copy that file from the pad that I just shown you, we need to write a command in CMD. The next thing will be pressing the Windows key again, write CMD, press enter, and on CMD we will need to write copy and then double quotes C, then users, then the current user of the PC. So in order to get the current user of the PC, you can write username like this with percentages. Then it will be app data, and then I think it was local, sorry, /local, then Google, then Chrome. I hope I'm not missing something. Then user data, and default, I think it was the last one, and then we have the login data without any extension. Then after this we will have to paste letter of the RubberDucky, which will be, let's say, for example, E, and then we need to specify a name for that specific file. So in this case it should be something like username.db. So it will save a database with all the username and password stored in Google Chrome named after the username of the PC. So then we can just hit enter and this will copy that specific file to our RubberDucky. Okay, so let's see how to build this specific script. We can just create a new text document. In this text document, we can write the payload. So we will start with delay 5000, which means it will wait 5 seconds before starting. GUI, which means pressing the Windows button, then delay again 2000, because we have to wait because some systems are slower and we are risking not getting the data. Then we will have to write file explorer, if you remember, and then again a delay of 2 seconds. Then we need to hit enter and again a smaller delay. I think just 1 second it's enough. Pressing F4 to get the name so we can write the string this PC, and then after this we can add another delay of 1 second because we have to wait, enter, another delay. We're not, after hitting enter we don't need, I think, to add another delay. We just go with string C. Then we will need a delay, let's say of 2000, and again a string C, and this will select the circuit Python. Then we need to hit enter to go inside the circuit Python. Hit F4 to get the letter of the drive, then another delay. Then after this one we need to hit Ctrl C so we know the letter of the drive. I won't mention the delay anymore, you will know that it will just wait 2 seconds. GUI again, so the Windows button, and then we will type the string cmd, and then we will wait again 2 seconds and hit enter, and then we will need the final string, which will be copied. So this will be inside the cmd. Copy C, and users, username, app data, Google Chrome, user data, default, and login data, which is the final file. Then quotes and space and quotes again, and we need Ctrl V, the strings, username, so we can give a name to the file so we can know from which PC we took it to be, and this should be it. Another delay of 2 seconds, then we need to hit the enter in order to run it in CMD, then another delay, let's say 3 seconds to wait for CMD to load, then Alt F4 to close the CMD, and that's basically it. If you want to hit Alt F4 again, you can do it to close the folder that you just opened again, and that's it. You will have the database copied on your RubberDucky. And let's see how it performs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and see you in the next one. Cheers!